What's your name?
Nice to meet you. I'm Aico. Aico Leucoma, if you need my full name.
Blood was everywhere, but luckily we saved it in some milk some drunkard threw. Oh, hello there! Are you mugging this ship, or are you here for the ride to Anvil?
Hello, I'm here for the Anvil ride. Do you two mind if I sit here?
Not at all. Talnavia Auger, though some people just call me Tally. Nice to meet you.
Of course.
Please, allow me to introduce myself and my companion here. I am Sine Anima, son of Dunlin Anima and Maya Anima. And this here is Sir Belnor Morris, Knight of the Anima House, a paragon of virtue, valor, and a remarkable cook.
The road is long.
We walk it together.
Yes, I am a werewolf. I'm told my mother was a Varaka and my father was a Molkanar.
So, do werewolves still shake people's hands?
Silvia Canis.
Ricky Carrader, AnvilAcademy pilot, and you had better be...
Yes, that's me.
A resident, are ya? Help for trick you got there.
Welcome, new students, to Anvil Academy. I am your headmaster, Regent. I keep things in order here.
Hello everyone, I'm the Academy Nurse, and I'll be the one summoning the itty-bitty critters you'll be fighting for your exam. The rules are simple. Beat the nasty monster, and keep each other safe. Use whatever you have in your kit to win.